Good day, all of you lovely people. I am making this video to let you know that I am deleting many of my videos. When I got out of high school many years ago, I became interested in website creation and made my very first website, which I then transformed into videos as I started my YouTube channel. My site and channel was about meditation, but also spirituality and psychic development, since that was something I was very interested in at the time and enjoyed learning about it and sharing what I've learned and read. But since that was a very long time ago, I have sort of moved away of that area of interest and now focus mainly on mental health and happiness. This means my channel is sort of divided between two different topics, and so I have to make a choice to make it more specific, to give all of my viewers a more cohesive experience on this channel. So that is why I have to sacrifice all of those old psychic videos, as they are pulling my channel in a completely different direction. So to not disappoint new viewers and subscribers, who may have subscribed because of those old videos, in hopes of me making new ones like them, I have to cut that part out of my channel, even though it hurts to delete those old videos, as it does feel a bit nostalgic, if that's the word, since that is where I started, and I've put a lot of energy and love into those videos. And as many of you, I also had a deep curiosity of these type of things, and I still find spirituality very fascinating and interesting, but it is no longer something I focus on or experiment with, as I have chosen to focus more on meditation, as that is something I am very passionate about, and something that has helped improve my life and so many of yours. So I apologize for the inconsistency there has been on this channel over the years, but that is why I have decided to make this change, so that you know what you will get from this channel moving forward. So this channel will only be about meditation. I will of course make meditation about many different topics, but I will no longer make videos about psychic development, like those old psychokinesis videos. So once again, I am truly sorry to all of my disappointed subscribers who joined this channel mainly for my psychic content, but that is also why I have to make this change, so that you know what to expect, as I don't want to give you false hope. Lastly, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you who have been following me for years, and thank you to all the people who have just found me. I feel truly blessed to have a community of such loving and positive people, and I do not take any of you for granted. I hope this helps bring some clarity to the direction of this channel, and I hope I am not disappointing you. If you want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment down below. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.